In the name of Allah, who is the Rahman and Rahim. I am teacher Faima from Playgroup. Hope so you all are fine. Today I am here to talk about APSEC's online sport program. Through that program, we have started proper planning. We have sent you the planning of first week. Hope so you all have received. Dear students, here is a worksheet and today I will teach you how to color a picture. You need colors and this worksheet. Let's start. As you can see, here I have pasted a worksheet. I have pasted a worksheet on the board. Wow! What is this? This is fish. Yes, very good students. This is fish. Fish. Seagrass. 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 And here is snail. 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 It's mean fish is in the water. Fish is swimming in the water. Yes, fish is swimming in the water. Let's start coloring. My dear students, one rule you have to follow that you will stay in the lines. You will stay in the lines as you can see here are the black lines. Black lines are here. You will stay in the black lines. Okay? Then your color look beautiful. I want your focus on staying within the lines. Okay? Now I am going to start the color. Stay in the line. Yes, I am drawing a boundary here with the color. Look. Oh yes, I have a little song for you. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Like this. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Look, I am doing good coloring. Yes, I am doing good coloring. Look, I am not going in the eye portion. Okay, I am here. I am filling the white portions. Look, is there any white portion that is visible on the page? Cover it with color. I am doing red color because I like red color. You can do your favorite color in the fish. Okay, my dear students? I know you will also do very good coloring because you are very good, excellent students. Yes? Yeah. Look, here is white portion that is visible. I am going to fill all the little portions. Look, here is little bit white portion. I am filling all the white portions. Yes, I am filling. Yay! I have done. I have done in this portion. Look, now I will get a star. Wow! I have done beautiful coloring, so I will get a star on the fish. Wow, good. Okay, my dear students, now in the next portion, I will use purple color. Which color I will use? Purple color. Because these are my favorite colors. Now again, up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Yeah, very good. Okay, do singing with me. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Very good. One more time. Please sing with me. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Yeah, am I doing good coloring? Yeah, oh my god. What happened? My coloring is out from the line. Oh, it's not good coloring. Oh no. Now I will get a sad face. Oh no. Students, now look. Here I have done good coloring. I get a star. Now here it's my mistake. My coloring is out. Now here I will get sad face. Oh no. Students, if you want to get a star, then you have to be careful. You have to do good coloring. Not like this. Here my color is out. It's not looking good. Next time I will be careful and I will do good coloring. I don't want to get sad face. I want to get star. Yeah, I like stars. You like stars? Yes, everyone likes stars. Happy faces. Yes, I also like stars. Good. Look, now it's looking good. But here, it's out from the line. Oh no, what happened? Again, I will not do this. Okay? Now, again, I will use red color here and I will do in little bit color is out, but it's okay. It's okay. It's my first time I am doing coloring. Like you people, like you, my little angels will do colors. Okay? It's okay. Now I will be careful. I will do good colors. And look, playgroup red students, how I hold the color like this. Okay? I'm not holding the color like this. It's not good. Okay? Don't hold the color like this. And you have to hold the color like this. It's the good way. Okay? Now look, I am doing good coloring, good coloring, good coloring. Yes, I have done. Good, very good. I am filling all the white portions that are visible. Yes, so that my fish looks more beautiful. Now I will use again purple color. Yes, up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Yay, very good. Up and down and side to side and stay in the lines. Yes, I have done good coloring. Yay. Again, I will get a star. Yes, I have done. Yes, do color within the lines. Don't go out. Okay, my dear students, I know you all will do very good color. I have done coloring in the fish. Is it looking good? Thank you. It's looking good. Now this is seagrass. I will do green color because grass color is green. Yes, I know my brilliant students know the color of grass. Grass color is green. Yes, very good. Here I have done. Seagrass is looking good? Yes, green color. Now I will do brown color in the snail. Okay? I have done. Snail is looking good? Yes. Oh, what is this small circles? How many circles are here? One, two, three, four. Four circles are here. Now I will do blue color in the bubbles. These are bubbles, water bubbles. I will do blue color in the water bubbles. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I have done my coloring. One more thing, students, I forget to tell you in the start of the video that you have to mention your name here and the date. Okay? Hope you all enjoy the video of coloring. Thank you so much, my dear all students of playgroup. I will wait for your coloring worksheet. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.